bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Bàbá olóyin kan, bàbá olóyin original. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesi Ota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota. I am Bàbá olóyin Iyesi. I am not Bàbá olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú. Because some people, they will still do the mistake of calling that scammer Bàbá olóyin original Ìjẹ̀bú. That boy that loaded my photos on his Facebook page. Don't do the mistake. Yusuf Bitrus Ebolala is a condemned man. I have nothing to do with him. If you want to buy my books or you want to buy my honey, don't forget I am Bàbá olóyin original Iyesi Ota. Bàbá olóyin original ventures has been registered with CAC since March 2006. But one scammer just come up and calling himself Ọmọ Bàbá olóyin, Bàbá olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú. That Yusuf Bitrus Ebolala. Beware, be careful, don't deal with him. If you deal with him, you deal it at your own risk. Don't pay to him, he has nothing to offer. Some people pay to him, after 2 weeks they call him, he will not answer you again. If you want to buy my books, my WhatsApp number is at the bottom of this video. You watch it, patronize me, you will not regret. This is my latest book, African Power. Agbára èèyàn dúdú. Agbára èèyàn dúdú. African Power. In this book, we will know how to use excess, native excess. How you can use orange peas. Inú igbó lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló máa ń lànà lọ bá. How you can use orange peas. When you drink orange finish, instead of you to throw away the peas, you can use it to get to where you want to get to. It's a lot of years research before we discover this thing. If you buy this book, you will see it. Yes, you want favor, you want to receive favor anywhere you go, you can buy this book. What you can do is in this book. Yes, ọ̀nà kìdí káàdì ẹ̀mọ́ débi abẹ́. No matter how tight it is, the fowls that is on incubating period, she must find a way to read the incubating seed. Yes, ọ̀nà kìdí káàdì ẹ̀mọ́ débi abẹ́. If you buy this book, you will see it. How you can use excess. You can use it to make powder. What you had to eat, it is in this book. You can do it with powder. You can mix it with honey. What we had to eat, it is in this book, African Power. That orange piece, what you had to eat is a small thing that doesn't cost you more than 10 naira. What you will cost to eat is very common all over the world. You buy 10 naira worth of it. You use small of it. You had to that orange piece with honey. Some people did the mistake. They only had orange piece with honey. They didn't have the third one. They thought they are wiser than other people. They are now calling me that they did the mistake. Now they came back to buy the book and they are giving testimony. African Power is here for you. Yes. If cobwebs is disturbing you, wherever you go, your face will always catch cobwebs. Cobwebs, they don't use it to tie firewood. They use it to tie human being. Anybody that is observing cobwebs will never succeed. Even if you get money, if you don't take time, your money will be coming down. Yes. If you are working in the ministry or company, if you always face cobwebs, if care is not taken, they can sack you. Yes. Promise and fail is the common thing for those who have cobwebs problem. It is in this book, African Power. I'm the publisher of this book, Solution to Human Problems. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ sí ìṣòro ẹ̀dá. Yes, it's here. What you can do, everything is in this book. This is only as a medicine. If you have hatred in your body, I told you how you can use bitter leaves to remove hatred from your body. I know many people are reposting what I posted before. I don't care. But if you watch my video in 2018, 2019, you will see how I've been talking about how to remove hatred from somebody's life. It is in this book, only as a medicine. Yes, many things are inside this book. This is solution to this is ọ̀nà àbáyọ agbára ìwòsàn yín. It started with Yoruba fashion. Healing power of honey. Those who are having staphylococcus is the major thing that sold these books. Yes. Some people, they married for many years. They couldn't get any issue. When they go to hospital, they say nothing wrong, but they have low sperm count. When you have low sperm count, what is causing that low sperm count? No matter amount of vitamin you are eating, injection you take, if that this sperm is not all right, there is nothing you can do. Your sperm can never produce. How to cure it? It is in this book. Staphylococcus, it is in this book. Yes. If you need original honey, I always tell people it's very scarce. That is why sometimes I always tell some people that when you buy my honey, you buy my books together. One, I want people to know the difference between fine honey and this dark brown honey. Some people will tell you, I don't need honey. I don't need book. I've already got the information on YouTube. Some of the things we posted, not everything. We have to hide some things. Some people rely on what we have posted. Yes. Like this orange peas and honey. They don't know that I have to hide some things. I have. Some people will even call you, I only need honey. Maybe you have posted everything free for us. I told them, not everything will be free. There are sometimes I will not finish everything. Yes. Because some people, they think they are wiser than other people. There are some I used to tell people how it is to be. But there are some I will say, unless you had one thing, you had one thing or two things to eat. Yes. If you don't have to eat, it may not work for you. I used to teach, I've taught you how you can use ashes. If your family or mother has caused you, or your grandmother, when you are young, how to remove causes. It is in this book, African Power. Yes, some people, when you are in the bus or we are in public occasion, you spoil the hair. They are causing the people that spoil the hair. There's the person that spoiled this hair. And who spoiled this hair? Nobody will raise up. It no go better for the person that spoiled the hair. When you die, to say, I want to me, and you are the one who spoiled the hair. You will be saying amen, amen, because of shame. Sometimes our mothers in the village, when they commit small offense, they gather, village elders will gather together. They say, Mama, they said they suspected that you and so person, you are having affairs. The mother will come and say, crying, if I do this thing, all my children, this is what will happen to them. People will say, this cost is too much. You say, hey, because I didn't commit the offense and I'm sure of myself. And they committed the offense. And they were causing themselves. They were using children to cause. And this thing is affecting the children. Children is now running from America to Canada, Canada to Spain, Spain to Ghana. Nothing to show off. Yes. There are some people, their mother, they were hiding them when they were traveling. So all these people will be asking for the mother. Where is Mr. John? He's in Lagos. You are deceiving yourself. All these people know that you are not in Lagos, you are in other country. You are in Oyibo country. You are in America. You are in London. They say, if you meet us here, then they will be watching the movement of the boy. That is why sometimes people in other countries, they are suffering more than those who are even in Nigeria. Yes. They are suffering. Some people cannot even send anything to their parents because it's suffering. They are suffering too much. Yes. To feed themselves in overseas country is a problem. If you don't have green card, you don't have stay permit. It's always running. Yes. Some people, they are monitoring some people. You think you have run away from the village or from the town to other country, so witches and wizards cannot catch you again. You are deceiving yourself. They used to monitor people from the mirror. When they hold mirror, they will be looking at your progress, looking at everything. I want to teach you how you can prevent people from monitoring you. Today, if you will do it, if you will follow it, if you will not say a lie, because everything is a lie to some people. This book, some people are buying it. They don't mind the price because this book is very expensive. You know, I told you in my other channel that some people, they got the money, they can never buy this book. Yes, those people that are being tormented by witches and wizards, they will not get money to treat themselves. Yes, even if you are selling this book for 20 naira, I know some people will not buy it. Because those who are warning them, they will tell them, don't buy it. This man is a liar. Don't buy, don't buy. And they follow that bad advice. And they will continue to worry them. How to protect, you can protect yourself. How you can protect yourself from the people that used to monitor other people's movement. I will tell you today. Don't forget, my telephone number 00 is at the bottom of this video. 0054749455. I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. I am Baba Oloyin original, authentic. I'm living at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. On this channel, you can still call me on this number. But this is the WhatsApp number. You can call on this number. It's only WhatsApp on this number. But if you want to call me, I've told you the number you can call. I am using these go-to lines. 081 08 431 336. You will see it at the bottom of this line. I'm the owner of this one. I'm the owner of this channel and the Baba Oloyin original television. As you are watching on this program, don't forget to subscribe, share among friends, and follow me on other channel, Baba Oloyin original television. Baba Oloyin original television. I was just watching yesterday under the comment section. Somebody put another comment that he is running a borderless home. I am not the person. Immediately I saw that post, I deleted it. The man used my picture, he put it on my channel. I am not the one. I'm not running motherless home. I'm not running a motherless home. Yes, all these people with bad brain, they don't have brain to do tangible things. Immediately I saw the post, I phoned the man that he should be very careful. He should be very careful. If I see the post under comment section, I will tell you people his phone number. It's his scammer. I don't run any motherless home. And about that Ebola, Yusuf Ebola, I don't know him. It's not my family. He's claiming Baba Oloyin original. I am not the one. Don't pay to him. I have even written letter to the bank that is using that they should close his account. Because if they refuse, sooner or later I will petition Central Bank of Nigeria. And I will petition Inspector General of Police about this matter. I think it is high time that boy is supposed to remove his post on Facebook where he said that it's Baba Oloyin original and he loaded all my photos on YouTube to his post. Yusuf Bitrus Ebola, be careful. You have friends, you have relatives, you have mother and father. They are watching this program. That boy is moving near to Kirikiri. When it happen, where bí na bá lépo omi tí ò bá padà lẹ́yìn omi ọ̀rẹ́ yìí náà ni àwa mọ̀ yẹn o. So as I was saying before, if you don't want people to monitor your movement, to monitor your progress, I will tell you the secret. Some people, they left Nigeria, they went to other countries. They are living in America, London, Canada. They thought as they have crossed many rivers, nothing can do them again. Mama àgbà ò lè rí wọn mọ́. Ìyá ilé ọ̀kan ò lè rí wọn mọ́. That grandmother cannot see them again. That old people, old papa who are wicked people around, they couldn't see them again alive. Whenever you are sleeping, nakedness, they will record you, camera you, send it to other world. When you are sleeping nakedness, they will come to your bed, they will record you. They will send your photo to spiritual realm. Anybody that see you, they will not show mercy for you again. And some people who have been greeting you will just decide to hate you. If you are fond of sleeping nakedness, just try this thing. By the special grace of God, if you can do it, yes, you will see the difference. Yes. What I'm telling you now is authentic. Whenever you want to sleep in the night, cover yourself with clothes. Yes. Don't just use only sleeping clothes. Try to wear clothes. If you observe that people are worrying you too much, you have been to prophets, you have been to herbalists, you have gone to mountain prayer mountains all the time. Your prayers is not answered, and you are often problems over problems. Don't sleep nakedness again. Yes, èyàn ayé ẹ má bínú o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe bí ọ̀rọ̀ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe bí ọ̀rọ̀. Mo jáwé oríjìn. Yes. Àìtorí gbígbó pajá, àìtorí kíkàn pàgbọ́, àìtorí wèrè èpò kan. Bí a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́ àdáríjèwé o. Bí a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́ àdáríjèwé, ẹ̀dáríjèmí. Gbogbo wọn náà kọ́ lẹ́sìn dà láàmú. Àwọn kan bẹ tẹ́ yọ̀ǹda. You cannot kill everybody. You have to leave some people. Yes. All these children you are worrying, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, all these children you are worrying, if they succeed, they can help your children. Yes. If you say you don't want your friend to become a king, you will not be a king to the friend. You will not be a friend of the king. You don't want your friend to be governor. You will never be a friend of the governor. You don't want your brother to be a millionaire. You will not have millionaire in your family. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, I beg you. Èyí tá a ṣe fúnra wa ti tó gẹ́. Yes, enough of what we are doing for ourselves. Enough is enough. Let us show pity. Let us use this power we use to help the community. Yes, some people, they know how to tap other people's legs. They cannot go to farm again. Those who send them packing from their farm, they have nothing to do for those people. There are some people, when they hold the erosion, that Ifa powder, when they blow it outside like this, they can destroy a whole town. What of those people disturbing you on your farm? You have nothing to do to those people. You have nothing to do for them. You are using your power to do bad. It's not good. If we are to tell the truth to each other, if we are to tell the truth for each other, if a landlord wants tenant to pack from his house within 7 days, you know how to do it. You know how to do it. But those people who send you packing from your farm, Baba Gboli no komo, Baba to mese lese ebu. You see, that Baba that sabi how to poison the legs of another person. You can't go to farm again. All these small children, they send you packing for the farm, and they have nothing to do. What is all this power for? People get power. I told you about a wife that told a junior brother to his husband. He said, my husband brother, if I slap you, you will not use your ear to hear again. If I slap you, you won't hear anything till you die. Everybody say, don't slap, don't slap. I say, I'm not slapping. The second day, our brother didn't hear again. That diva, for the past 20 years, the man didn't hear again. The wife didn't slap you. He said, if I slap you, you are my in-law. Yeah, you are my brother-in-law, a brother to my husband. But if I slap you, you will not use your ear to hear anything again in your life. She didn't slap. But the brother didn't hear again. Second day, he called brother. Brother was not doing like this. Up till now, over 45 years ago. They went all around to about this pastor everywhere. The man didn't hear again. All this power, we get it. Africa get it. We get this power. Don't forget about Baba Oloyin original Yesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop Yesota. This thing that I taught you is not in the book. I just gave you, just to help you, how you can protect yourself from witches and wizards that are disturbing you. You are using soap, you are using perfume, you are going to prayer mountains, all the same way. It didn't work for you. That's the secret. If you try it, within 1 or 2 weeks, you will be having progress in your life. Till next time when you meet, don't forget this book is the latest book. Those people giving me money, I will not forget you. God will surely bless and enrich your purse. Some people are giving me money. When they ask for the price of the book, they normally give me extra. I can never do without thanking you. Some people, they are calling for free information. When it is too much, I told them I'm tired of free information. But because of those people still giving me money, when some people visit me, sometimes I won't charge. Sometimes I just have somebody go and bring sand on the road. I pray to Israel, use it. Within 3 days, come and give me the result. Some people don't get money. When they come, when I look at them like this, I will just think I'm better than this one. How much can I have this man to bring that will help me? I remember a day when a blind man came to me. He didn't come for eyes, but he came for another problem for his daughter. I wanted to collect money, but my phone was ringing. Immediately I answered that call. Alert was on my phone. Somebody gave me 100,000. So I come tell the imam. I came outside to the imam. I told him, don't pay anything again. Your money somebody has paid. So sometimes I used to do that. How can I charge this type of person? Somebody has given me money this morning. But not all the time. Some people, they have the money, but they are always to look for free information. You will see them when you see them, you know that this type of person is not the one to say, don't pay anything, don't pay anything. They will just come say, I don't have money. You don't have money, your stature will show that you have money. Even if you don't bring car. Some people, they used to hide their car in a nearby place. And they will tell you, I have nothing, I have nothing. And you have gonorrhea, you have nothing. You have nothing, you have gonorrhea, you have staphylococcus. When you are going to good night place, you have money to give them. When you are keeping chains of girlfriend, you have money to spend for them. But when you come to treatment, I have no money. You don't have money, you have money for girlfriends. I will not tolerate that type of thing. So those of you giving money, I used to appreciate. I used to appreciate. Even I told some people, this book is supposed to cost much than this. It's a small book. But I know what I put inside. Somebody told me that Africans, they don't read book. That if you want to keep something for them, you can put it inside book because they will not read it. Yes. So, and those people that have been tormented by witches and wizards, they will not like them to buy the book because they know they will get solution. So, don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin, original Baba Oloyin Yesota. My phone number is at the bottom of this video. Don't forget, I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. Baba Oloyin, original Ijebu. That boy is a scammer. I don't run any motherless home. As I saw one comment yesterday, somebody was putting my picture that I'm running motherless home, seeking help from people. I'm not the one. That person is a scammer. I've deleted the post, the comments he put under my comment section. I've deleted it and I phoned the person the person is following me on YouTube. He should be very careful. I will mention his name and his phone number again. I just reserved that since he didn't say anything since yesterday. If he want to spell his name, let him continue again. I don't know where scammers are all around like this. Baba Jekpe Yenebi no Pamanamana ku ebi opamaku ni o. Till next time when you meet me, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.